Hi, I'm Marvita Buhara, mother of 4 kids.
Hello everyone, my name is James Senas from Tabros.
Hello, blessed day. I'm MJ Pasion, the mother of two.
Before FWD, I'm really a full-time housewife and full-time mother.
As you may know, my mother is UM Rose. Siya yung naggalasahan sa industry. As UM Rose, being a mom sa bahay, very hands-on naman siya. Kumbaga, kahit simula pagkabata, talagang lahat kami magkakapatid, makananay kami lahat.
So before being in this industry, I'm a full-time mom, literally stay-at-home mom with talagang zero income. So
Sa bahay lang talaga umiikot yung mundo ko, asikaso ng kids sa school in the morning, and meron akong small online selling business.
in-approach na ako ng recruiter ko, which is FWM. Doon nag-start na nag-exam lang ako na akala ko hindi ko mapapasa din.
Nakita ko siya through FB posting ni AD Miko. So, post siya ng mga travels niya, travel incentive. Sabi ko, ano yung ginagawa niya ngayon? Sabi ko ganun. Kasi before magka-work kami sa Starbucks as barista.
Nag-start ako mag-work, yung nag-coffee kami, but ngayon ang nagiging bonding na namin usually kagaya nito dahil same na kami sa management team, so every time na may meeting, magkakasama na kami.
Nababalance ko yung pagiging FWP or FWM and being a mother is that I schedule my activities. Hindi ka lang basta manage ng time, but you also manage the time of your kids as well.
Time management talaga. Of course, syempre, for yung kids ko and my husband is an OFW, priority ko pa rin yung kids. After nilang pumasok sa school, dun ko sinisingit yung FWD time ko. So by that, nagagawa kong magtrabaho sa bahay, nagagawa ko na maayos yung business.
As a leader, I think she's doing talagang kumbaga umaarangkada siya. Ganda nung naging momentum niya. From starting nang nag-build siya ng team, then nag-AUM, then up until na naging unit manager siya.
Sobrang laki ng change ng lifestyle ko. From having no income, then having an income na will surpass my husband's income. So, hindi lang life ko yung na-change, but also my family's life.
Si FWD, nabigyan niya ako ng self-confidence. Alam naman natin na as a mother, sobrang hirap sa loob ng bahay. Marami dyan nakakaranas ng depression and yung feeling na parang hanggang dito na lang tayo.
Now, I can give fully to my family and to my parents, and not only to them, but also give back to the Lord with my tithes.
And because of this, I was able to travel. One of my bucket list, pangarap kong country na puntahan, Japan.
So to my fellow mommies out there na still thinking about this industry kung para sa kanila to, no? How I juggle this industry, sinasabi ko sa inyo, this is for you.
Thankful ako dahil siya yung naging nanay ko. In general, wala na, thankful ako na hindi ko siya ma-utter into words.
So sa mga momshies dyan na nangangarap and merong gustong mapuntahan na kahit hindi natin kailangan umalis ng bahay, hindi natin kailangan mag-travel everyday papunta sa office natin. Dito sa trabaho to, kayang-kaya siyang gawin, and I'm one of the living proof.
You can be a full-time mom, and then you can be also a manager here. You can be an MDRT here. You can choose who you want to be here in this industry, FWD also. And then D11 will support you all the way to your goals and dreams, not only sarili mo, but also to your family's goals and dreams. Laban po, and my prayers are with you all.
Nay, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, no? So, kahit medyo makulit, alam naman niya na talagang tulong sa bahay. Habang mga pasensya sa akin, and kung ano man yung mag-goal natin sa pamilya, tulong-tulong tayo.
I'm Marvita Buhara,
I'm MJ Pasion,
a financial wealth manager
financial wealth manager,
and a proud mom.
and a proud mom.